Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today's student learning outcomes are constant and variables in C++, rules for specifying variable names, C++ data types, and the constant qualifier const. Constant and variables. These are used in programs to perform calculation of various types. Therefore, it is important to understand how they are used in computer programs. In computer programming, a constant is a value that doesn't change during execution of program. A constant can be a number, a character, or a character string. A character string is a sequence of any number of characters. Some examples of constants are like 42, 7.25, S, and computer respectively. In C++, a single character constant is written within single quotes and a string constant within double quotes. Now discuss variable. A variable is a name of memory location where data is stored. Variables are used in computer programs to store values of different data types. The data stored in a variable may change during program execution. Example of variables: height, length, speed, area, volume, etc. Okay student, now rules for specifying variable names. There are some certain rules for specifying variable names. The following are the rules for naming a variable in C++. The first character of a variable name must be alphabet or underscore. The characters allowed in a variable name are underscore, digits 0 to 9, uppercase letters A to Z, lowercase letters. Special symbols such as $sign, %, etc. are not allowed. Blank spaces or comma is not allowed in variable names. Reserved words of C++ are not allowed to be used as a variable name. C++ is a case-sensitive language. So what is the meaning of case-sensitive? An uppercase letter is considered different from a lowercase letter. For example, the variable in capital letter sum is different from capital S sum or sum. Now data types in C++. Data types are declaration of variables for storing various types of data. Data types have different storage capacities. In C++ program, data type of a variable must be defined before assigning it a value. The data type used in C++ programming are integer, floating point, double precision, and characters. Now discuss integer data type. It is a data type that is used to define numeric variables to store whole number or negative number such as -3, 0, 367 or 2081, etc. The short form of integer is int. Numbers that have fractional parts such as 3.84 cannot be stored in an integer variable. And this is the table of specification related to integer data type. When we declare a variable with integer data type, it occupies 4 bytes in memory and its range you can see on the table. Unsigned integer, it means you can store only positive values. Short integer, it occupies only 2 bytes in memory, but its range from -32,768 to 32,767. That is unsigned short integer. You can store only positive values. Long integers occupies 4 bytes, or you can see the range of long integer. Whenever we declare an integer variable, so by default it is considered as long integer. Unsigned long integer means you can store only positive values from 0 to that number. Now discuss floating point data type. It is a data type that is used to define variables that can store numbers that have fraction parts such as 3.75, minus 2.1, or exponential number, etc. These numbers are also known as real numbers. The short form of floating point is float. The following table shows the floating points, the number of bytes it takes in memory to store the value, and the range of real number it can store. The float type variables might occupy a different number of bytes, and their range might also be different depending on the computer and the compiler being used. Now character data type. It is a data type that is used to define variables that can store only a single character. One byte is set aside in memory to store a single character. The short form of character is char. A variable of type character can store a lowercase letter, an uppercase letter, a digit, or a special character. Some example of character that can be stored in a variable of type character are a, plus, percentage, and 5. Note that characters are written within single quotation marks. Now the last topic of today's lecture is the constant qualifier const. In C++ programming language, const define a variable whose values cannot be changed throughout the program. When the const qualifier is used with a variable, it no longer remains a variable because its values will not be changed. A variable defined with the const qualifier must be assigned some value. It has the following syntax like const data type, variable name equal to constant. For example, const integer age equal to 45 and const float length equal to 11.5. Now during the program execution, the value of age and length will not be changed. Okay dear student, that is the end of today's lecture. Now it's your turn. Challenge yourself. You can see few questions on the screen which are based on today's lecture. Kindly solve them. Thank you.